So we get a piece of rent.
Get a piece of rent.
£14.
Yeah, man. So this is how we have a cooking idea, you know. Right away.
Right now. Just a put in the meat.
Pot cover, you know. Cook for your body. Refreshing, good for the yard, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys, good for the yard. Yes, man. What you pray? So if you wash some wash your face. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, guys. Mother Nature, you know, on earth, yeah. I like them lifestyle, I like them kind of living. This is how I live. Yeah. So I just introduce my lifestyle to you guys, you know. Yeah. Different from just spear fishing. Yeah. So I say, let's go and stay tuned, guys. My little backyard, as you can see. Yes, guys, so we're there once more again. You don't know, we are going on a bush cooking adventure, you know, in the morning, you know. You don't know. So just stay tuned, guys, you know. As you see earlier, we go sub up and show you we are going to cut the banana, we're going to cook until we are going to bush, we are going to look some renta yam, guys. And you don't know, we have to curry some chicken back with that. So we have to cook renta yam and banana and some curry chicken back, and only hopefully we can find some coconut around here too, guys, you know. So just stay tuned for all of that. Yeah.
We're gonna go to the Bayer Hotel. We are trying it in the forest of the natural life on earth, you know?
Yeah. Yes, guys, so we finally reach.
Find a renter.
So we find a renter and everything.
This is the vine of a renter. The renter vine here.
Yeah, man, this is the vine.
Yeah, so we are going to look at food there underneath it, you see? But what we normally do, we clear the area. We clear with the area, chop the clear.
Yeah, so we are clean up around it, guys.
You can move all the debris around it.
Yeah.
You can dig and clear up. You put on your bag. If you put on your bag, you are going to kneel down for sharp objects. See me? We start by digging wide away from it. And you have to put your hand, you have to dirty your hand. You can't just dig it without dirty your hand.
So whatever we find, I think we'll go cook, you know. Yes, man.
So we really find food already. And we have a salting already too. Find food.
We might find one 14-pound size, you know? I am that? That's how they look.
Good yam that you say white. It's a well fit, you know. Well fit, you know, turban. Well fit, white, eh? Well white. Come on. You see it? Lay down so it's gone, you know, man. Lay down so. See that? Lay down. Mini pop come on here, so too.
So we get a piece of rent.
Get a piece of rent.
£14.
Yeah, man, so this is how we have a cooking idea, you know. Right away. Yes, man. So, let me tell you, sir. fruitful Jamaica. We can't hungry unless you are hungry, guys. You see it? Yeah, you have to lazy if you're hungry about it. Yeah, I don't have no knowledge, you know? Yes, man.
But the Almighty provide them.
Yes, man. So I go on down there.
Another one in it, man. Maybe an even bigger one.
If we never carry this, we'd have to go try find a trumpet tree, you know, to find some water. And we don't find any as yet, so. And the wild pine, you know. The wild pine. So that's where the water would store from the sky, you know, from the. So we carry our water, and so we'd have to go and check for the wild pine and see if we get the fresh water.
Yes, guys, so today I bought some coconut trees, so I need you guys them go and dig yam. So we just open at the mountain. Yeah. There's the coconut tree. Yeah, so we just try to find a way to get up in the mountain. See if we can pick some coconuts to drink. Then get thirsty, you know. I will never bring as much water. So I have to go look. Some coconut to quench our thirst. Nice coconut tree there with some on it, guys. Yeah. Guys, so climb the tree, but I'm tired. So we get 7 coconuts, 7 jelly. So we cut it and drink it, you know. Remember I'm saying bush cooking, you know, so come in the bush and we bought the coconut tree, so you know, so if I bought coconut tree, jelly get drink. Yeah, man. Spearfishing out there. While you know, the 2 guys down there dig rent I am them, you know. Hey, so go like this, guys. Refreshing, good for the heart, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys, good for the heart. Yes, man. What you pray? So if you use the wash some wash your face. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, guys. Mother Nature, you know, on earth, yeah. I like them lifestyle, I like them kind of living. This is how I live. Yeah. So I just introduce my lifestyle to you guys, you know. Yeah, different from just spear fishing. Yeah. So I say, let's go and stay tuned, guys. If you're watching this far, haven't subscribed, go over and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell and tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Share, like and comment. Yeah, man. Give thanks to the support too. Yeah, man. This far. Listen. Yeah, man. So 20 days an hour drink for him. Watch. Tribune. Nice to be alive, guys. We can get them experience, yeah. Out in the forest, the hills. Nice coconut tree, you know. The style. So we are cut the coconut open for so we can get to the meat, guys. Mean twinny. Show them how it's done. Lick it on the hedge. On the hedge right cut. Yes, guys.
Alright, this part we're gonna try to get the spoon.
Get a spoon, guys. See, eat the coconut,
Yes.
eat the meat. Yeah, man. Get to the meat, guys.
This one have a lot, you know.
So you mash it, man, work it, you know.
Not the heels.
Ah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the king of the bush. Yeah, man.
If you had long time, I don't remember them thing here. Watch me.
Watch him, guys, watch him. You have your meat, you know.
Take one spoon off a new fresh coconut. Sharp a spoon. Work him.
Yes, guys. This is how it done.
Nice bush.
Yes, guys, so there I walk going at the bush to see if we find any more yam. Wait. Buck up on her. Look how hot in the bush here. What is this? Ancient days hot, guys. Adventurous lifestyle. Where I go? Let's see. How really I go on here. Good. Seems like I look the whole time well else, guys. Yeah. I come back from the ancient days. Yeah. So I have a little thing over here, so I walk meet and see. Weird. John White. Dark. See if we can get some light, guys. I see some water also. That's what it look like. So for who don't know, this is what a well look like. Yes, guys. On my adventurous life, I'm touring the hills. This is what we buck up on, guys. Yeah. So this is the house. Yes, man. Yes, guys, so we are clear up the spot where we are going to put the fire, you know? Yeah, man, so we cook on that little spot here, so. Yeah, man.
Here we kitchen. Same time we want to eat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Wow, it's not because, you know, you have to get little style.
Space, you know? Get breeze can blow and keep the fire flowing. Yeah. Yeah. And remember, those who don't use to the bush, you have to clear away your fire don't go so you burn out the forest.
Fire will get up on you guys, so you have to clear up around it.
Maybe I'll kill you too.
Yeah, get rid of the dry trash from
the area where you're going to make a fire. Remember, fire is dangerous. When you're in the forest, you have to consider that. You understand? Dangerous cause people got their animals not far from here. I wouldn't want to cause a disaster. So, the safest thing is to clear the area properly. And make sure you out the fire when you're leaving.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Always save back some water if you out the fire, guys.
Safety.
Yeah.
You know, because the forest fire can be dangerous. So, you have to clean this part and make sure there's no dry stuff around. That will cause a fire after we're gone. Because we are responsible people.
Yeah.
Responsible people.
Yes, guys, so we are set up, get some
Fireplace.
stone, you know.
Set up a fireplace.
Mm.
You can run off the pot.
So one more stone, you know, guys.
Of course. Because it's the 3 evil boys you have to use to make the fire. And nobody never tell you no. The 3 evil boys they use to make the fireside.
Mm.
And them can't get burned.
Go to the same way. I reckon go dig out
No,
one.
man, we're good, man.
Dig out one, we'll put shed rock in.
We're good, man. Yeah, man. Shell rock me, check and then we go there like this.
Alright, guys, so we are going to put up the wood them here now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, shed rock. Shed rock solid, man.
You say, bust up the wood pan shed rock.
Yeah, man. Me shake and I bend the go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, go boss it. Don't talk now where you're going like a son. Tell me to boss it, man. Yes, man. Don't talk shy, man.
You fire one me, look, remember, say,
Yeah, we have to get hard fire. Then come in, if you
much
don't,
is lily, you know. Remember, give you cooking and
If
you
you
can do
don't-
it.
no more fire. You gonna have to give it a hard.
Come in, boy, we're cooking here. Come with him, we go through some night.
Everything have to have a hard.
Yo, light the bag, light the bag. Light the bag. Ah, light the bag. My lighter blow up, you know. Light the bag. Boy, the man take the light out and fuck it. My lighter blow, you know. Ah. Nah, like that.
Yes, sir. Here, piece of that.
That can't come back.
Boy, you can't want thing, 3 things, come on.
Come on, put on cat cheese to come at cheese.
Yes.
Boy, I need one pot cook, you know. Fire off, guys. Up and running, you know. Yes, guys, so we are clean up the meat, just so. Yeah, man, if you go cook, you know, we'll put on the yam them first, you know.
Some more water.
Yes, guys, so you think set, you know. Yeah, man. So clean up your man.
Yeah, because me did the yam and everything as you know, don't see. So, they deal with sanity now.
Yeah, man.
Sanitize here, you know. Sanitation, business we are dealing with now.
Yes, guys, so you say?
Add little curry, I'll burn some, and we already put in the Maggi season, a pack of the Maggi season. I know only for me, my fans, I know only for me. So, we add some curry now to the meat.
Alright.
And then we'll leave some for burn. People might oppose to what we do because some people rather burn and curry. And as me like put liquor with the meat. You understand? You understand?
My bag.
Like add a little bit of curry to the meat. As me say, and everybody cook the same way. But we like add a little curry to the meat. The rest now we go and burn it.
Real wood spoon, no.
Yeah.
Bush with it, you know.
Stir it up.
Wooden spoon.
As you don't know, we already clean up them meat already. Sealer.
Yes, guys. Man, so fire pan pot pan fire now, guys. Yeah, man. So after the little downfall, we really get to catch the fire off, you know. Boy, pick the light out of my pocket, but watch the fire. Fire up here now, guys.
Yes,
Yeah, man. So you see it?
yes, sir.
That a go on the hills. Pear bush. Banana, this stuff go with the yam.
Add some salt to the pot.
Yeah, man, add some salt to the pot here now.
Huh?
So
we are going and cooking, we know one more salt. Just by just throwing it.
Yeah, man.
See there?
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So we there clean up. Yes, man. We are clean up the yam, guys. You know.
Rent a yam them, you know. Them have a whole heap of cribbits and corner too, you know. They come like a firm gully. You see your rent on? So you have to know if you dice and slice. You see me? Dice and slice them. Get out the dirt and get off the skin. You see what I say? Dice and slicing, you know. Yeah. You have to come with the base and come with the bag. Man find a piece.
Yeah, man, I call it that too. Go on the bag.
Hunter find a piece of yam further down the road. Yeah. Keep and clean. And now great way to while we start hunting, I hunt same way.
Yeah, man. So whatever left we bring home, you know.
Yeah.
Bring home, go consume with the family, guys. Yes, guys, you fire moves up and level night. Don't know level, you know, produce the place. So you can change up the fire, you know.
Yeah, man. So down in a gully, you're kind of cold too. You have to work like this, you know. Well, then good thing your grandfather used to teach you for this in the axe. You know, in the wild, with a gully, sometimes cocoa wash. Cocoa sucker wash come down in the gully and then spring up. If we're lucky, some of the time we find some nice cocoa. But today we don't find no big one. We just find some small white cocoa. So we add it to the pot. Understand?
Yeah, man. You know?
And put me good for the nature food, you know. Nature food, you know.
Yeah, man, make you strong.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so the food pot, so make up a next fire for you. Put on the meat, guys. Yes, man.
You hear me like curry? Make a nice curry there.
The spoon there.
Yeah.
Board spoon.
Yeah, hold it. Look up to me. We have no utensils, so we have to prep things all on the side. We prep all on the side, but we not put the seasoning right now. We just put it in the meat. 1 or 2 pieces might get the water so it thinks.
Yeah, man, I'm my heart. You start singing my song, you know, so me love this when the food up get down to business, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we set this here now for when we think look good, we had them thing here. You know? Yeah. For people. I use this thing for years. I'm gonna tell you, give me a sweet flavor. I would like somebody in the public can tell me what this thing is. Because I always use it and give me a good flavor. But we call it cool it time. But I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know the correct name for it.
Cool it time we call it, you know.
But would I love somebody give me the correct name for it. Because full time now we know the real name. You see what I say?
Yeah, some people call it Chinese time, we call it coolie time.
You know?
Yeah.
So we don't know which one is the correct name. So if anybody in the public they can tell me what's the real name.
Yeah, just drop a comment down below.
Drop a comment and tell you what the real name.
Yeah.
But I tell you, it make curry nice.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, man, it make curry nice, man.
Yes, guys.
There's some Irish to with curry, you know? It's true, like a utensil, so we have to just do it away. Normally, we have prep this here at another spot or in a container or stuff first. But now we are just cut up them Irish here in
yeah, bush style, you know?
Yeah, the bush style.
That's Irish potato, guys.
Yeah. That's nice for curry, you know? You don't use too much of the, you don't use tomato and so in our curry, because that make curry taste bad. No. We have a liquor, everything right there, so same way. Scotchy, onion, scallion,
cool it time.
Everything dash out, cool it time as we call it. As we say, we want to know the correct name. We don't know the real name for it. Alright.
Yeah, man, get the real wooden spoon.
Get that stir.
Yeah, man, out in the hills, in the bush.
Stir make everything kind of
adventure. Yes,
you
guys.
Know? We don't have no water yet. We just want the meat and the season blend. And married and combine with each other like them lovers.
Out in the hills today, you know, so you don't know. It's your style. That's your style. Give them, this is what I go on. This is what I go on. Yeah, man.
Cool it down when after you eat your drink. You see what I say?
Alright, so you go and bury it. Yes, guys, so look what I go and eat curry now.
Yeah. Keep it double. Want to taste it.
Yes, guys, so there look what I go on. The curry, you know.
Yeah, man.
Curry
Eat
pretty.
some curry, you know.
Too fat there.
So I go on over here, so. But you're so almost ready, you know, brother. Bro, God, that's already.
Curry pretty, John, I'm not lying.
Eat that taste, you know. Sad.
Yes, well,
I'm gonna tell you
I don't know a curry, you know. I want to run belly thing around here, you know, guys. Yeah, man, like that, man. Ideal. So, we had the water here now, guys.
Can't put too much, you know, because we don't have meat wine.
Wow. Yes, man, at this the hunter them fine. So I go on, guys. Real rent I am from the hills.
One hole.
One hole, everything come out there, you know.
Dig it bad.
Watch I go on and I try and dig it bad, you know. See what I go on. So you don't know, you know, from the bush to home to the pot. Alright. Yeah, make it strong. Wait, the boss line up all in plate already. Yeah, man. Give them a style, you know. You see it? Yes, guys. Plate that ready there, so.
I mean, I got broken nobody place.
Yes, guys, so. There you go drink some my pot water, you know. Hey, the pot water make you strong.
Lead in the pencil.
Put one piece of yam in my pot, man. Nice it, man. I don't want that the yam.
Where you put that big sitting pan the bread, man?
Just cut a piece of that, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, make you strong. Yes, guys. So I go ahead. Eat out like coconut talks, yeah. Yeah, man. Oh man, you can't eat, man. We bless the food, man.
Yes, loving master, as we prepare this food and we're going to have it, bless it to our body that we get the strength that you already create us to have in this land and live in Jamaica. Amen.
Yeah, blessed guys, blessed. Yeah man, time for consume, you know?
Yeah, man.
Guys, time for consume after a hard day of preparation for make you reach to where you reach now, you know? I chef that over there, so I talk for film pot cover, you know? Yeah man. 20 day sweet thing gone for more. Next twin day. Yeah man, I spear fishing one that. We find all dry coconut in the hills, you know, say Sunday didn't get cooked there, so guys. Yeah man. Yeah. Yes guys. God bless you, you know, we have to give thanks to your father for make this possible, you know. So I go on, I might plate this, you know. You know, after we drink out the water out the coconut and eat it, turn it into a plate. Remember hills we there, you know, we don't need no plate, guys. You see it? Cocoa, your white cocoa, your butter. Yes!
Natural, no no fertilizer. Make you live long, you know? Jamaica this man. Nice.
Master's note.
Yes guys, so as you can see, thanks for watching again, and you know, thanks for the support so far, guys. Yeah man, just drop your comments down below and tell what you think about this adventurous lifestyle, you know, spearfishing with Oden. So that's Antwian this stuff. Same spearfishing, same way, you know, but you don't know. And that's this twinny way you always see in a spearfishing video them, you know. Yeah man, I tell twin them, you know. Yeah man, and this is the Jack of all trade, you know, Mr. Bobby and yeah man, chef, you know, chef for the day. Yeah man. Yeah man, call upon him, man. Him call you down about the rent I am them, you know, guys. Yeah man. So you see, I can get too much food, him still I eat. Find a nice coconut sucker. I want to take it home, go plant, you know, so my kids them can get jelly in the future. Nice piece of yam them I bring home for the pot. Never done the, never, you know me have to bring home a jelly for wifey. Yeah man. Yeah man, I remember this was my plate. This is Oden plate, guys. Yeah man, see banana left over there. You don't know, I see him, so you go. There, so I just see we are pack up here now if we head out back out of the hills. Only for bush that we have to go through, you know, guys. Yeah man, so just drop a comment down below like me say and tell me what you think about this video. Yeah man, blessed. And if you're watching this video so far, subscribe. Yeah man, subscribe man. Hit that post notification bell. Yeah man, for all the uploads. You know? Whenever time we drop a video, you will be notified. Yeah man. And share, like and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Blessed.